Another Know Your Money Matters Chatview Money Matters Monday. Tonight, should you be putting your money in online forex trading? There's a school of thought that if you want, welcome. Najina, you are the first on tonight, and you are the first. A special welcome to you. Yes, we will kick off at exactly 8:30, and my co-host, Lemone, is actually logging on, and I can say I'm seeing him as we go. Send his request. Mr. Lemone.
Good night, Sir Joseph. How you do?
I am good, my friend. But I want you, welcome listeners, welcome followers, welcome viewers. I want you to listen to something because this is going to be in line with our topic tonight. So, you ready?
Yes, sir.
You know what Lil Wayne said? Got money in your pocket to take it and throw it. But
oh, yeah, I said.
Yes, man. But we don't want person to do that with foreign FX trading. We want you to tell us tonight how they should go about it. Is there money to be made? What they need to do? And all the things my expert will tell us tonight. So, Lemone, welcome to persons on your side. You are free to welcome some person that you'll be seeing for the very first time, right?
All right. Yes, I've seen
So,
Mario.
As a co-host, sir, we welcome you again, and we need you to share some tips tonight.
Yeah, man, it's excellent. It's good to be here, Sir Joseph, man, and thank you very much for the opportunity. You have been a person that I have worked with in the past, and no doubt we made some good connections, and you have put me here and given me this opportunity in this space, and I really want to tell you thank you. So I'm happy to be co-hosting with you tonight.
Thank you very much, sir, because I know you're from a different field. I know you as a business person, CS consultant, you name it. And you let me know that you are in the space. So I am eager for you to share with everyone tonight where is foreign currency online trading going, when they should enter, if they should, you name it. So tell us something about Lemone. Tell us something about Lemone.
All right. I'm a 33-year-old young man who has always have big goals, big dreams. I represented the country in the sport of swimming, and so from a tender age I was always taught how to work hard, set goals, meet these goals, and of course being focused and determined as a youngster, being also a leader, because I was able to captain the Vast Prep swim team. I was able to captain the Woolmos swim team for boys, and no doubt even being a part of the national team over the years, from a single-digit boy to double-digit boy, growing into an adult, I was able to learn proper leadership, be very disciplined at whatever you're going to do. Even the motto of Woolmos, Agi Kwada Geese, whatever you do it to the best of your ability. That is what has been sown in me from a child until an adult, and that is how I still go about living my life with that type of motto.
So you're going to bring that discipline to the foreign currency market.
Yeah, man, I have, and that's where I'm at right now, Sir Josephs.
All right, what is it that they need to know? As Lil Wayne said, must throw your money away, but we and Money Matters are serious about money, so we don't want anyone to go throwing their money away. So what left?
Absolutely not.
Guidance you can now pitch And do you have live trades that you can show us? I just want to know. Is there
Well,
such?
all right. So I'll say this to you, Sir Josephs. It's important because person seeing live trades will definitely seeing this. It will not mean much to them.
Okay.
What I'm all about in terms of my own experience. Many persons out there don't even know what trading forex is.
Okay.
And they have probably heard the term already, FX trading, but really don't know what it's all about. Now, I want to talk to the people today, Sir Josephs, about what exactly is forex trading. And it's really 10 things that the people need to know. And one of it is forex trading is actually the global trading of international currencies. So when we talk about trading forex, this is not just a local thing. This is a global thing, and that is why I was so attracted to it in the first place. Okay. Just imagine you're able to actually stay in your local country. You're right here in Jamaica or anywhere you are, and you're able to tap into a market that has to do with value in the market of some 1.93 quadrillion US dollars. That is 8 zeros behind it, name, Sir Joseph.
Lemone. All right, so listen. This is some of the persons on this live, they're not going to know what trillion is, quadruple is. So we keep it simple and know your money matters.
8 zeros, so that's 8 zeros.
No, we keep it simple. So we need to make sure at the end of this live, the person that join us, right, they all understand what it means. So every market is big, globally, internationally. What we want to point them to, the little things that you must know, what you must go and do before they put a dollar in that market. Because it is now the it. Everybody now want to trade foreign currency. So I want to protect everybody on this side to say, go and look for this before you do that. So that's what I want.
All right, I am with you. So first of all, I would ask persons to learn about what forex is first. It's very important that persons know what exactly is forex. So education about forex is important. One of the things that I do as well is help to offer a program that actually will teach you about how you can learn about forex. Because you can agree or disagree with me, Sir Joseph. If persons are not in the know, how will they know how much they need to start with? How will they know what to expect, and how will they know what benefits they can reap? So that is where we come in.
Is that program for free?
No, it is not for free.
I don't want them to pay $1 to get anything tonight.
Right.
What I want to make sure is that at the end of tonight, they know that, okay, I have some form of information, and now I can go to a platform. Because one of the things about it is that person say, you know, people don't really make money from foreign exchange. Trading. What they do is sell courses, and you buy the course and you don't learn nothing, you lose your money. So what I want you to do for us tonight is guide a person that know the little things them that they need to look out for before they think of going to get a course. So what can you offer them before they go get? You can big up some person in a Lemon, because I see.
Yeah, man. I see. Yeah. Coulson, that one of my business partners. I see Melissa chiming in. Hey, thank you all for coming in, guys, and you can give your little input as well, no doubt.
Yeah. Yes. So before I did take out $1, not being like Lil Wayne, what is it that they need to know? Because I'm telling you, every week I get requests. Bring on somebody to tell us something about FX trading, and I chose you. So I
know Mel, good to see you.
Have a takeaway tonight. So tell us.
All right. So let us put the education on one side. But things that you're going to need to know is, for example, what broker to use. Depending on what your goals as a forex trader will be, you need to know what broker to use, because you'll find that some brokers may not enable you to trade, for example, metal, or some brokers may not know how allow you to trade cryptocurrency or bitcoins, because of course bitcoins is becoming very popular. So that name should be known by some of our guests on the live tonight. So definitely brokers to use. Also, when you're ready to start to trade, as little as how much can I use to start in my broker account? Those are some of the questions that I ask, some of the questions that I know people ask. So I'm just giving that information out there for persons to know. Now, I can also recommend different brokers, but that will be something that I would have to And I don't necessarily have to, but again, it boils down to your goals as a person who wants to trade. So I have to take it from that point, Sir Josephs. Making sense?
Okay. So the point is, you enter trading. Why? Somebody else enter trading because they heard, boy, you make money quick in the online FX trading business, quick, and they rush in and they lose everything. Cases that come to us. So we want to know.
All right, beautiful. So my thing is this, Sir Josephs. When I just got into trading myself, a lot of people talk about the glamour and the glitter and the money and the cars and the this and the house and the that. Now, that is all good. But one of the things that you may not hear people speak much about is actually having used proper risk management.
Okay.
Proper risk management. So you do not start an account with several thousand US dollars or several hundred Jamaican dollars without having the proper risk management. The goal of a trader.
So one
the goal of a trader.
We're going to be risk management.
Yeah, proper use of risk management. Proper
How much
use.
money they can afford to lose?
Absolutely. That is it, Sir Josephs. That is the first thing you must identify. How much money you are able to be in a position to lose.
Your exposure. All right. Okay. All right.
All right. So that is very key. And no doubt again, as we think about it, is as you become more, and that is why this program is so exciting, and I really appreciate you for giving me the opportunity, because as persons are, even Mario is saying it here, risk management is key. If you don't have, if you're not using that, a person can get into trading and lose everything. And again, that is the thing that many persons I hear don't talk about in the beginning stages. And that is why I decided to become educated on it, learn how to practice the proper use of risk management. Everything comes back down to starting with the right capital, again with the proper lot size. Now, I do not want to deviate and go too technical, but this is something that persons will also need to know in terms of how to practice proper use of risk management. Because this is the idea, Sir Josephs. You want to maximize profits, but minimize losses.
All right. All right. So, all right. Mario said it is not get rich quick. So why is it that it's so many persons drawn to it? Like lotto. I want to get it. I want to buy the ticket, and that's my dream to get rich. So,
all right.
Educate yourself. Rightly said. Okay, educate yourself. All right. So what I'm saying is that for everything that they have to educate themselves on, they have to pay, buy a course. What can you offer tonight that they don't have to buy a course to understand even the basic of what we're talking about? That's what I want to get.
Well, put it this way. Many persons will go on YouTube. YouTube is free. They will, type in what is Forex trading. How can one get involved with Forex trading? But the thing is, let us take it a little further. One of the things that persons will find, and that is free, ladies and gentlemen. I just want to be very transparent. Persons can go on tonight, go to Google, go on YouTube, find out what is Forex trading, how can I get involved, what do I need to know, all of it. So it's all there for persons who want to just simply get an understanding of Forex trading, right, Sir Josephs? Okay. But here's the other thing. One thing I found out when I just got exposed to Forex trading is that persons were saying, boy, the myth is that you lose a lot of money, and you're not going to stay in there long because the thing is a lot of people have lost. But my question is, Sir Josephs, what about the people who are actually making a living from Forex? And here's one of my business partners saying Forex.com is also another website that they can go on and get further knowledge about, about further information, which is free advice that we're giving tonight. So the thing about it is, Sir Josephs, when I was exposed and actually started to learn myself, what I find is that you have to have your own goals that you want for yourself. And as Mario mentioned earlier, then when you realize now the proper use of risk management that you will want to use, then you can take it further in terms of knowing how small or large you want to start. And then over time, this is not something that you'll get rich quick. Going back again to what Mario said, this is something that will take time. But here's why people are flocking it. Here's why people are running it down.
Yes, tell us.
See that thing? You see that thing called freedom of time, or time freedom, or financial freedom.
Yeah.
The work that you put in today and what you will get in return is why a lot of people are spending the time to educate themselves about Forex. Because guess what? A person cannot be educated and be in the know and then go to the market and fail. Just like you and I, who may invest in our children to send them to university or so on to learn a new skill, you expect that when they come out, they'll use that skill to benefit and create wealth for themselves.
All right, Melke is agreeing with you. The people who have been doing it for 10 years, 12 years, is because they have patience and manage their risk. And my comments goes for the new traders. Is it
and here's another one. It is also research and proof. Right, and that is a big point, Sir Josephs. Because remember now in this pandemic, we talk about people losing jobs.
Yes.
We talk about people always being cut. Yes. Here, you can actually stay from your home and trade and actually make money right there in the comfort of your home, not having to work for an individual.
And that's what everybody is saying. But I have persons coming to me on the other side and say, look, man, this thing is scam. All people do is sell your courses. I just want to find a way to say to them after tonight that you just gave us some free Google site that they can go to. That's fine.
Right. Here's another one, babypips.com.
Okay.
So you can write that one down to babypips.com. So again, these are different websites. Forex.com, which you wrote down earlier. Again, these are ones that you can visit, learn a little bit about what are pips, what is Forex in its entirety, and also kind of have an understanding of the markets and so on.
All right, followers, again, we are looking tonight at what you should know before you put your money in online trading. And we started out for you just join in with this and listen, because this is what we are pinning Lemone to. All right, because Lemone, people said them take them money out of them pocket when they work hard for, and when them try the FX trading, I show them trade with. We are giving them every reason tonight to don't believe they are throwing it away. So
right. So just to answer you again, dear Sir Joseph, like anything that you're going to do in life to be successful, don't you have to have certain strategies that you use?
All right. So you need strategies. All right. Okay.
Good.
Strategies.
So now we're talking.
Daily dose say you need mentorship. No, I agree with that one. I agree with that one. Anything that you're doing, find somebody who knows more than you. You can't go wrong. All right.
Right. And of course, these mentorship would be from experienced traders. Wouldn't you agree with that, Sir Josephs?
It have to be. I agree because I mentor finance students, and the thing about it is that they think I know something why I'm a mentor. So I understand.
Correct.
That. All right.
Right. So again, we are giving the free advice. Many of these persons who are actually jumping on too is actually students that we work with, or that I work with, as well as they are live traders. So again, mentorship is also very important, because from there you'll get the knowledge, the understanding, and the strategies to actually know how to be a successful trader. So persons coming to you from the other side.
All right,
Sir Josephs.
Go ahead. So one of my consistent followers is saying that wow, I'm losing it here. Hold on.
Yeah, she typed fast, and others are joining and typing as well.
Hold on. Patience is critical. Let me come back to that one. Yes. With all the con artists and self-proclaimed gurus, what are some pointers you can give new folks starting and picking a mentor? I want to take that one first.
All right. So you will actually choose a mentor based on what? You're going to choose a mentor based on transparency.
Okay.
Someone who can, yes, man, transparency. Someone who has gone live in the market can actually show you their portfolio. They can actually show, they can also show you how they have grown their portfolio over time. They can also tell you what brokers that they have used, how they have deposited their funds, and things like these. So we're talking about a process from start to finish, which if I'm going to take on a mentor, just to answer the question there, I am going to have to know things like these. I want to know how you started. I want to know with what amount did you start with your account? How often do you trade? Things like these, Sir Josephs. And those are good questions because you want that transparency from your mentor.
Okay.
So I hope that answered the question.
Yes, mentorship is key, and I understand that. And you're saying that they must go live. What I'm asking, are you able tonight to come to Bam and say, I am going live? We have roughly 15 minutes leave, but are you able to say, I am going live, and this is what my live trade look like? Is there a way you could bring it up and is
all right? I could try, but let me share this with you. What happens is when I trade, and I'm only talking for myself here, I trade between the hours of 3 and 4 in the morning. The reason for that, the pairs that I follow, those are the time of morning that those pairs move. That's when most price action takes place. So to be honest with you, what I would say, those trades that I take on, which is like the pairs for those who are on the line that understand the different currency pairs, we're talking about the Great Britain pound, the USD, we're talking about the Great Britain pound and the euro, we're talking about the euro and the Great Britain pound and the euro and the Canadian dollar and so on. So typically when I enter my trade,
every trade involves two currencies.
Always, yes. Every trade involves two currencies. So you're going to have the asking price and the bidding price. And of course, that's how you have your spread. But we don't want to, again, get too technical because there are some persons on the call or on the live that some may understand while some may not.
No, well, a pair is two currency, two different pound, yen, or US, something else.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes, and so we have somebody saying there are over 170 pairs or 70 currencies that you can trade. Yes.
Okay. So what was your motivation to enter the foreign exchange market? Or the foreign
to be honest with you, Sir Josephs, this is the truth. During the pandemic, what I found is that things were slowing down. For the area in which I worked, it would provide for me an additional or a way of generating income. And so I looked at it as a source that I could first initially be a part of the education or learning program. Then I could use that to actually finance my trading goals. So personally,
Daily Dose said self-taught traders normally fail. So you were not self-taught. You had to get. Okay.
I went through a trade academy, and I was able to learn over time and utilize that education to now execute the practical steps of me going into the live market.
Okay. Well, okay. Why would you try to model? So Melake Forex is saying you should not try to model through website. You must go to an organized, do your trading through an organized schooling then. So we actually have, but